We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space.
Hey y'all, what's up? I have not started to edit the weekend vlog yet, my first one, so I'm starting my second vlog before I even finish my first one. How's that for productivity? Yeah, so I'm about to walk over to the Apple store, and I really hope that they'll help me figure out what the heck is wrong with my laptop. It's very frustrating. She's 10 years old, she's been through a lot, but I'm not quite yet ready to for her to retire, so hopefully I can go ahead and edit that video tonight on my laptop after the Apple Store geniuses help me, or I'll go ahead and do it on my phone if they can instruct me on how to take what's on my camera and get it on my phone, and I can edit it on iMovie there. So yeah, that's what's going on this Monday, September 14th. And when I get back home from the Apple Store, what we're gonna do is a cute little haul of some fall items that I've picked up over the past week or so, and I'm really excited about them because we're at home a lot now, so everything that I got is really comfortable, it's efficient, and it's my style. My style has evolved and changed and become more specific over the last year, and I'm really liking the direction it's headed in. It's a lot more brave and honest and true to me. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright y'all, so let's go walk over to the Apple Store. It's real overcast outside, but it says it's only a 10% chance of rain. So I'm praying, Lord, please don't let it rain. I'm sick of the rain, and also I'm gonna be taking the camera with me, so that wouldn't be a good look. So yeah, I'm gonna bring the umbrella anyway, however. And how do you guys feel about my makeup today? I used the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric foundation. They call it a full coverage foundation, and I would say so as well. Yesterday I used the Luminous Silk, and I love both. They're basically my top two. But yeah, this one is much more full coverage, so I feel like my makeup is heavier today, but you know, it's still natural glam. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Thank you. Guys, so I'm not taking Jiggy with me to the Apple Store. Any other time I would, but I mean business, and unfortunately when I'm out with Jiggy, not everything I need to gets done because we're always busy doing meet and greets for Jiggy Kardashian, Jiggy Jenner, because people love him just as much as they love the Kardashians and Jenners, you know? So yeah, he's a productive boy, you know, when I have to stop and explain who he is, what his breed is, how old is he, all that good stuff. Yeah, I've got to get that computer fixed. It's not your fault. Everybody just wants to know who you are, and that's understandable. You're a handsome boy. Do you guys hear him purring? Yes, he purrs like a cat. I used to have a cat when he was a baby. When he was a puppy, the first night he came home, I had a cat. And I had that cat for about the first 3 months of his life, so she basically took him under her wing. Rest in peace to my cute makeup.
Turn into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. you filthy under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. It's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time, trying to control.
You guys, I just wasted $5.50 coming up here. Complete waste of time. Kind of appreciate that they didn't waste my time, but they did waste my time having me come all the way up here. I didn't go to Soho because they're about to close. But this location is open 24 hours. I know that sounds crazy, but look it up. It really is. It's so windy out here. It feels so nice. So I'm gonna go home, dial this number they told me to dial, and hopefully the Apple tech support will help me over the phone. They told me that they even are willing to video chat, so maybe I can call them from my iPhone. We can do FaceTime from my iPhone, and I can show them my laptop. We're gonna figure this out, you guys, because I'm not gonna let this old Betsy laptop stop me from posting my YouTube video. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna walk back over to the subway, and we're gonna go home. So I think I'm gonna leave the camera and the lighting like this because my makeup looks a mess. The mask really did a number on it. I think my 10-year-old MacBook Pro hates me. It has been frustrating my life all day. I don't want to have to purchase a new one because we're in a world pandemic. This is not the time, in my opinion, to be spending that much money on anything. And y'all know MacBooks and MacBook Airs are expensive, or Mac Airs, whatever they're called. That's how little I get them because of the expense. So I'm really trying to work with the one that I have for however much longer possible it'll work with me. But right now the footage is so choppy, and I just don't know why. It's very frustrating because I want to get my weekend vlog up on YouTube, but it's on my SD card and on my choppy 10-year-old geriatric prehistoric MacBook. So I'm gonna start cooking dinner and try to calm my nerves with some scallops and Caesar salad. I'm really excited about it. And I'm still trying to figure out my angles and whatnot, so if this one is a little bit funky or weird, you know why, because I don't know my angles yet. if you'll be willing to change the shower head, because I have a new one that needs to be installed.
When the only one I want is you. You see my body, finest one in the room tonight. Baby, don't.
Are you kidding me? It's looking so good in here. It's gonna look even better tomorrow once this is dried and the paint job commences. Ceiling as well. Right here we have the paint that's gonna be going on the walls and ceiling. It's a paint and primer all in one. It's supposed to be glossy.
I just wanna love you.
This is what we've got going on for repairs today, Wednesday, September something, I don't know. Haven't checked the calendar. So he's on his lunch break and we're coming along. And the bathroom, y'all. Look at the bathroom. And they know me all too well because they knew I would want a second coat of paint. And I do. This one looks really good. It is Wednesday night. I have all my essentials together for the laundromat. I'll go ahead and show you because it's laundry day. Because I haven't done laundry in weeks, I have a lot of stuff, so I can go a really long time without doing laundry. But yeah, that said, it's really not my favorite thing to do. It just has to be done. The basket is overflowing. Alright y'all, so this is laundry. We've got Downy, we've got Tide, and we've got Porters. I have this rolling laundry basket situation. It can also be used for groceries or whatever you want to roll in it. And I take it to the laundromat with me. So here we go. I mean, here I go. You guys aren't coming.
Every time you say sorry.